nice.
What's up, YouTube? We're going to be doing some maintenance on the new 22. First thing you want to grab is your tool to remove the side plastic, get to your air filter, and then you want some gas and some bags and a bowl to clean your air filter and some air filter oil. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is remove this bolt down here, or wherever yours is. And then the next thing you want to do is pop that thing out. Not too bad. Is take the air filter off the cage. Next thing you want to do is pour some gas in there to clean it. Rinse out all the gas. I don't know about you, but I don't want my bike breathing in gas. Dry it off. Everybody's different though. Gotta do a little dance on it. And it's just pretty much dry. If you want, you could let it sit out in the sun. Whatever you like to do. Next up, you gotta oil it so you don't suck in any dirt. That should be good. Then you want to put it back in. It'll go back in. Boom. And then put it back together. You can get it back together. Yeah. Fuck my life. Dope, just kidding. Didn't say that. Next thing you want to do is make sure she runs. That's how we get her done.